Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch our video on detaching a database using the SQL Server Management Studio. Prior to detaching the databases, you will be required to install the SQL Server Management Studio from the DVD. Launch the CA3000 installation, and when the main menu displays, click Additional Components. Next, click the SQL Management Studio 64-bit to install the Management Studio. This installation will take a few minutes. An alternate method to using SQL Server Management Studio to detach the databases, you can also use the CA3000 database utilities to detach the databases. Refer to the CA3000 videos. After the SQL Server Management Studio installation is complete, click the shortcut on the desktop to launch it. Next, when the Connect to Server login screen displays, select SQL Server Authentication and type in SA for the login name and capital C, lowercase I, C, exclamation mark, 234 56789. Next, click Connect. Upon clicking Connect, click the plus sign on the left to expand databases. All the databases that are attached will display on the left. Next, right-click on the database you wish to detach. For our first demonstration, we will detach the CA211 live database first. Next, click Tasks and then click Detach. At this point, you also have the option to back up the database. If you perform a backup, the backup file will have to be restored on the destination computer. Again, for this demonstration, we will be detaching a database. Upon clicking Detach, the Detach Database screen will display. Next, select Drop and click OK. When the database is successfully detached, you will see it disappear from the left side of the screen. Next, perform the previous steps again on the CA211 archive database. If you have multiple archive databases to move off the computer, repeat the above process for each database. Next, using File Explorer, navigate to the Card Access 3000 database folder and make a copy of the database files. Each SQL database contains a .mdf file and also a .ldf file. For our demonstration, there is a total of 4 files, 2 for each database detached. Make a copy of these 4 files and copy them into a temporary folder. At this point, it is recommended to make a copy of the database files and move them off the computer. Next, if you wish to reattach the databases back to SQL, expand Databases on the left and right-click on Databases and click Attach. When the Attach screen displays, click the Add button. Upon clicking the Add button, navigate to the Card Access 3000 database folder. Next, first select the live database MDF file and then click OK and then OK again. Once the live database is attached back in, it will display on the left side of the screen. Next, perform the same steps again for the archive database. If you have additional databases to attach back in, repeat these steps for each database. Next, click Exit to close SQL Management Studio. This concludes this video on detaching SQL databases using the SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.